In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from all devices in Outlook. This is a great move if you've used Outlook on a shared computer, signed in on a friend's device, or just want to make sure no old sessions are still open. The process is quick, and it helps keep your account secure. Start by opening a web browser on any device you have handy. It doesn't matter if it's your phone, tablet, or computer, the steps are the same. Navigate to your Microsoft account workspace or Outlook on the web, where you normally manage your account. Using a modern browser will make everything run smoother. Sign in with your Microsoft account, which is the same email and password you use for Outlook. If you're asked to verify your identity with a code, go ahead and complete that step. Verification helps confirm it's really you. As a reminder, never share your credentials, and avoid signing in on untrusted networks when you're handling account settings. Once you're in, head to your account area and look for your profile or security settings. The exact wording can vary, but you're looking for an option labeled Sign Out Everywhere or Sign Out of All Sessions. This option is designed specifically to end active Outlook sessions across all browsers, apps, and devices tied to your account. If you don't see it immediately, check the Security or Devices sections within your account settings, as it's often located near Session or Sign-in Management tools. Click the Sign Out Everywhere option and confirm when prompted. After you confirm, Outlook will begin logging you out from all places you're currently signed in. That includes web browsers, the desktop app, and mobile apps. This won't delete any emails or files, and it doesn't uninstall the app. It simply ends your active sessions. The change may take a few minutes to fully propagate, so give it a little time. If you reopen Outlook shortly after and still appear signed in, refresh the page or close and relaunch the app, and you should be prompted to sign in again. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you use this feature because you suspect your account was accessed by someone else, it's a good idea to review your recent activity and update your password afterward. Also, keeping two-step verification turned on provides another strong layer of protection. And that's it. Thanks for watching.